Hi there guys, and here I have the Apple Power Mac G4 Cube. As you can see, pure cube, and today I'm going to be installing a memory upgrade into the G4. Got the memory upgrade here, and as you can see, it's Kingston memory and G4 256 megabyte. And what it doesn't say there is it is PC 100 memory. It's a SDRAM, and it's 168 pin 68 pin DIMM. So I'm going to be installing this into the G4 Cube. So it's an absolute beautiful computer. Okay, so I'm going to start by turning it over, as you do, and so you're facing all the ports towards yourself, and you can see the lever in the middle, which you're going to have to start by pushing the lever, and it comes automatically up. So what you do then is lift it up. As you can see, do a full turn rotation, complete square cube. So I can see it already where the memory slots are, so which is pretty simple. You can see it and just lay it down onto your side like so, and now you've got facing towards you the graphics card and the memory slots, as you can see right there. So there's 3 memory slots right here. Get the memory module and put it into the G4 Cube. Here it goes. What you've got to do is place it between the white clips like so, and then just give it a push either side and this side as well. There you go, and you will see automatically the white clips on each of the side. When you're pushing the actual memory module, will clip in towards the memory module and secure the actual memory module in place. So now you know it's in there and it's tight and it's ready for use. So I'm going to put the actual cube back into the case. So what you would like to do is get them slots facing towards you again, and you can see on the actual case there's a little bit of an edge, so get that facing towards you, and then slot it right in. Very simple. And just put it in, push that back in, and then go and reboot it when you're ready. Voila, the G4 Cube memory upgrade. Bye.